How to find daily bias in less than 60 seconds. First, you're gonna go to the 1 month chart. You're gonna look at the current candle you have. If it's bearish, you're most likely going to be bearish. If it's bullish, you're most likely going to be bullish. Then you're gonna drop down into the weekly chart and look for a PD array or a level in price action where price is likely to draw to. In this situation, you can see we have a bearish fair value gap coupled with that new week opening gap down here, and price is likely going to trade into that next week and then continue down lower. Then you're gonna drop down into your daily chart. This is where you're gonna find your daily bias. You can see that our level on the weekly chart has not yet been taken. So you're gonna anticipate that the days where we're below this level are going to be bullish. Now, I've been anticipating we were gonna go here for over a week now. And out of 8 days, only 3 were bearish. So going into next week, you can anticipate the early days like Monday and Tuesday to be bullish until we take this level. Then after that, I'm gonna anticipate price to be bearish. Daily bias is the same as taking an entry. You just need to find a trade entry on the higher time frame, then adapt it to the lower time frame. Using the logic that we are bullish, you can anticipate that when we move lower earlier on in the AMs, we can use that as manipulation and then look for a long setup later on in the day to go for those highs. As you can see in this example, Asian range, London range, and New York AM session went lower, but our bias was bullish, and then we continued up higher in the PM.